Have you ever seen these videos before? Have you ever wondered how anyone could create them? Well, guess what? They are all made by AI.
Hey there, tech wizards and fellow creators. Pretty cool stuff, right? That was just a little sneak peek of what we're going to create together. Let's go to our lab.
I'm G, your guide in this brand new AI lab. My mission? To show you that these futuristic tools aren't just for the pros.
We're going to break down how to create amazing anime content, step by step, using only the best 3 AI tools. So grab your creative energy and let's get started.
Every great story starts with a single idea. But how do you turn that spark into a full-blown animated world? It's simple. You start with the right partner. And in this lab, our partner is AI. I'm talking about tools like Gemini and ChatGPT. This is our secret weapon for brainstorming, scripting, and turning vague ideas into powerful, detailed prompts that the AI can understand. Let's get to work. I asked Gemini to write a story about a digital hero, and it gave us the Ballad of Bite. It was an entire world of ideas waiting to be explored. Then, I took it a step further. I asked Gemini to be our script writer. I told it to break the story into scenes, and for each scene, generate the exact image and animation prompts we needed to bring it to life. This isn't just about saving time. It's about turning a simple thought into a detailed professional plan. It's about using AI to unleash your full creative potential. Now that we have our story and our prompts, we're ready for the fun part, making it real. With our perfect prompt, we're ready for our first tool, WHISK. It's a completely free and powerful image generator. Just paste your prompt here. You can also select the aspect ratio to fit your needs, whether you want a cinematic wide shot or a vertical image.
You'll get 2 amazing images to choose from. But remember, for shorts, this tool might not support motion, so we'll need a different strategy.
Now for the real magic. To bring our image to life, we're going to use a powerful tool called Bigmodel.cn. It's an incredible video generator that gives you a generous number of free videos just for signing up.
Just upload your image, select your video duration, 5 or 10 seconds, and paste the motion prompt we got from Gemini. Wait a minute or two, and you'll have a stunning, high-definition video. This is what you can create with just one free account. Imagine the possibilities if you master this tool and start building your own creative empire. We're not just using tools, we're using a smart strategy to create endless possibilities. In our next videos, we'll dive into other powerful tools like Tomovi AI Studio. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video to stay updated with our latest experiments. See you in the next one.